Hi YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on Lucidchart. So first off, what you gotta do is click on sign up free. After clicking up on sign up free, this will redirect it to the site. So right now we're being given the part to choose plans. For now we'll just choose the free plan. After a little bit I'll talk about the other plans, and let's choose our name. So our name will be NetTech. Our work email will be this one, and our password will be this one. So I saw that you can also sign in with Google Office 365 account or Slack, I think. This is a pro tip if I'd like to take it into favor, guys. Just read it. So here is it, guys. So now we are being given the choice. First off, we have to see what's our role. Let's say that we're IT and we're a novice. We can here share our link or add our coworkers' emails, but I'll just skip it. And let's say that we would like to use flowcharts for the start. We can see the templates. Like there's this template, there's also this one, this one, this one. I'll just choose this one because it looks the simplest. So here is it, guys. After zooming in a little bit, can we like stop zooming? Yeah, so here is it, guys. We can see the shapes, what the shapes mean. So the green shape is a terminator, so it sets the start and end points. The blue square is a process square. It sets an action or function, and the like the white rectangle is on decision. The purple wavy one is the document, and the pink is the data. So we can see the start is the terminator, the second one is the process, the third one is the decision. The decision is between yes and no. If yes, leads to a document, and it ends if no. If yes, I meant here's a no. If yes, it leads to a process. The process leads to a data, and the data leads to a terminator, like from the start. So again, we can make a new board, like setting a terminator, naming it to like, let's say that we're in a marathon. Start of a marathon. So right here in a process, we set this rectangle. So in this process, we'd say that we'd have this process is called running. This process leads to another process, like more running. After that, this leads to a process that can lead to two processes. not two processes. I meant a decision. I meant this decision. Okay, I'll just delete it and set this one. Set this decision right here. Can I just delete everything? I think I can. Here more running. Okay, I didn't actually mean that. Here's the decision. So this decision can lead to terminator. Here's the terminator. No, where's the terminator? Okay, I guess I'll just change the places. It can lead to a terminator, or it can lead to another process. Okay, I didn't mean to set a decision. Okay, so here, process. Or I guess let's just put it over this. Okay, so this is it. So this is the start of running. The start of marathon. You start running, you run more. After that, you come to a decision. Are you tired? If you are tired, just quit. If you are not, you just also continue to run. And yeah, also guys, that's not all of it. There are more templates right here. There are containers. There is an image panel where you can import images. There's a data panel, and there are visual activities. Let me show you right now the premium features of flowcharts. I think it's not that hard to choose what you'd like to buy. Here, there are 4 plans as of now. There's a free plan that we're using right now. There's an individual plan, and there's a team and enterprise plan. So the individual plan gives us these things, all the things that are included in the free plan, and these, the unlimited editable documents, the unlimited objects per document, the premium visual activities, and the team gives you these things, and the enterprise gives you these. So it's paid per month. When built yearly, it's a little bit more, I guess, expensive. And that's it, guys, for the video. I hope that I have helped you in one way or another, and I wish you guys another day, a great day. Peace.